Hey boys and girls, Mr. Spolsky here, and guess what? We have an exciting new challenge today. That's right, the last 2 weeks we've been learning all about what? You said it, magnets. We've been learning all about magnets. You just finished the bobsled challenge where you're learning all about friction and how to make your bobsled move using only the power of a magnet. So what we're going to be doing today is I'm looking for the next YouTube star. That's right, you heard it. YouTube star right here, right now. You're probably wondering when the world was supposed to see me again. That's called a green screen. You're going to learn how to use it today. A green screen sends an image to the back that's right behind you. It's really just a screen that's green. I'm just using green cloth that I bought at Hobby Lobby. And today you're going to learn how to make your very own green screen movie. So, our challenge today is to think about all you've learned in the last 2 weeks about magnets. And you have to create a script. Each of you is going to have a special role. That is right. I will show you really quickly. At your table, I have about 5 different roles. They're inside of a plastic bag. One person's being in charge of writing about what a magnet is. The second person's being in charge about explaining what magnets attract to. That's right, I need to know what they attract to. I also need to know how they repel and attract to each other. Why does it happen? Why? And also you can explain why certain magnets are stronger than others and what happens. Another thing I need to know is to explain what is not attracted to a magnet. I need to know what's not attracted. And our last one is magnet magic. Now magnet magic, if your group has 5 people, you're each going to have one of these roles. If your group only has 4 people, this would be a role that you would all do together. So I'm going to show you a quick example. So I might put this really strong magnet. Now this magnet I have right here that I'm trying to get off my chair, it is so strong it's called the neodymium magnet. I got it. It's a neodymium magnet. This one is the strongest magnet in the world. Okay? I'm going to take this. I'm going to make a paperclip hand monster. Let's see how many I can get on here. I'm going to move up a little closer so you can see. So I'm going to keep attaching more magnets. And what's cool about paper clips is they actually take on a magnetic force so you can keep attaching more. Look at that, I already got, whoa. So they take on the properties of a magnet, even though it's really not a magnet, but it's made out of metal. So that helps to take on the properties. Oops. So you might do a trick just like that. It's up to you what you do. You can come up with anything you want, be as creative as you want, and of course, have fun. So the first thing you're going to need to do, you're going to have to get in groups of 4 or 5 friends. Once you have your 4 or 5 friends, then you are going to go to a table. You're all going to decide who's doing which job first. Once you decide what job you're going to do, you're going to decide how you're going to write your script. Your script needs to be written either on an index card, it could be written on standard printer paper, or you could really use really large sheets of paper to write your lines. That way, you could use this as a cue card like they do in the movies or on the news, and you can hold it up so your friend could read it so they don't have to memorize their line. That's just a way of not memorizing their line. So, I'm looking to learn an educational video all about magnets. Let's have some fun. Are you ready?